welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. Oh, I did that right, yes. I just messed it up. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Savannah Smiles. And let me change that back. So today we are doing a general lifestyle tag that has been done before, and that is called 10 Things You Didn't Know About Me. There is a lot since I have been so mysterious about myself and my past and whatever. You guys just don't know about me. So I thought this would be a good chance for me to connect with you guys. And by the way, if you guys are hearing jumping, whatever, shuffling noises, it's Ramsey. He's in this room with me. And let me know too, because I added on this Sansevieria snake plant, which goes in our bathroom, and I put it right here on the box so that way it would show. I've been thinking about getting a Sansevieria snake plant for the background of my videos, so let me know if you like this, because then I will get one. But I wanted to test this out for a video. Anyways, back to the topic. So this is 10 things you didn't know about me. I don't even have 10 planned out, so we'll see if I actually get to 10, but hopefully I do. So, first thing is that I was not a cat person before I met Ramsey. I had always grown up with dogs. I know that my parents had had a cat until I was the age like 4 or 5, but I don't really remember it. I had always had dogs. I was so used to the direct affection that dogs give you that I thought I wouldn't really like having a cat. Until I met my little fluff ball, my little chonkers, the love of my life and my cat baby, Ramsey. But if you told me 2 years ago I would be a cat mom, I would have told you you were crazy. No, Ramsey, don't eat the light. They don't taste good. Don't eat a box. I don't think that tastes good. By the way, I've tried the lights. They don't taste good. Can you come here? Hi. Oh, wait, you can't see. Can we show you on the camera? Spooties. Oh, hi. Hi, buddy. Okay. Oh no, you don't want this right now. Okay, I'll put you down. I love you though. She's laying right here, right underneath my finger. All right, so on to number 2. I have alluded to the fact that I competed in sports on a competitive level before, but what you didn't know is that for 6 years, I was actually a competitive long distance runner. Those 6 years were 4 years of high school and then 2 years at a community college. And so typically when people hear that I was a long distance runner, they always ask, what was your mile? I think this is because most people can grasp the concept of what a fast mile would be. My fastest mile was my sophomore year of high school at 5:19. I hated doing the mile. I preferred to do anything that was a longer distance than that. My favorite in high school was the 3200, so which would be just shy of 2 miles or 8 laps on the track. For that, I could run 11 minutes and 13 seconds. From there, when I went to college, I competed in the 5 and 10K in track, and I also did cross country all 6 years. To be honest with you, I absolutely preferred cross country to track. He's still just, he's like falling asleep right under my finger, just looking at me. It's so cute. So the third thing you probably didn't know about me is that I actually have a horrendous ankle injury from all my years of running. I never took proper care of this injury, and that's how it got so bad. Even though I haven't competed in running in over 2 years and I barely run now, I haven't even gone on a run in months. I can probably make it walking about 2 miles before it will start to bother me, but once it bothers me, it gets really bad. So the fourth thing you probably didn't know about me is that I wasn't into gardening before we moved to the new house. Both of my parents weren't quite the biggest green thumb people. My dad does keep a few houseplants alive, but besides that, they really never were big or super into plants, so I never knew how much I would like it until Graham and I started gardening at the new place, and I absolutely fell in love with it, and I found that I'm pretty good at keeping plants alive. So yeah, I found a new hobby I didn't know I loved. What number was I at? Hold on, I'm gonna have to stop and figure this out. Okay, so I was at 3. So this makes number 4. The fourth thing you probably didn't know about me is that I actually do like to play video games, and if I had a system here, I would not get anything else done. At my parents' house, which I lived before moving out with Graham, my brother had a PS4 and I spent a lot of time on that thing. I've played some of the Call of Duties. I have played Destiny, I think the second Destiny, it wasn't super good. I have played the Walking Dead series, I have played Fallout 4, I have played Limbo, I've played Grand Theft Auto. I can't remember all the games that I've played, but those are some of the ones I've played. And I know that they're bigger titles or whatever, so I wouldn't necessarily venture to call myself a gamer by any means. Oh, Bloodborne. I love Bloodborne. That's been the current one I've been working on. When I go up to my parents' house, sometimes I will super late at night after everyone goes to sleep and whatever, I'll go down and I'll go play. And I haven't bought a console here because I know it would distract me from editing and getting work done, so I don't have one here. Number 5. My name is not Savannah. Well, I mean it is. My first name isn't Savannah. So when my mom was pregnant with me, she wanted to name me Savannah. But my dad didn't want that. So my dad had always wanted a son named Mason. They decided to go with the girl version of that name, Macy, for me. So my name is actually Macy Savannah, not Savannah. I would prefer if you guys called me Savannah or Gigi or Graham's girlfriend in the comments. But if you guys wanted to call me Macy in the comments too, that's okay. I feel so nervous that I just talked about that. I had been talking about doing that forever. YouTube is not my full-time job. I have a normal full-time job. I work for a company, and I don't want to get into specifics. I work for a federal contractor that does commercial contracts and federal contract, and I work in the corporate office. Number 8, I don't have a fear of heights or public speaking or common fears, but I do have a very bad fear of confined spaces and of airplanes, which the airplanes one, I am completely aware it's irrational, but I am extremely fearful of it. So that's gonna make things interesting for Graham and I traveling in the future and the future traveling plans we have. My zodiac sign is a Libra, and I would say that a lot of that rings very true to me. I would say I can be very indecisive on small things. I'm very open to viewing everything from every perspective, and I like to know all the facts before making a decision. So I would say that I am pretty true to my zodiac sign, which is a Libra, but yeah, that is my zodiac sign. I'm a Libra, and I'm really a true Libra at heart too. This one is an Easter egg for the Selling Sunset fans, but my profile picture on Instagram and my channel picture, whatever you want to call it, is the same exact outfit and from the same day as Mary's wedding. So if you want to catch Graham and I on Selling Sunset, watch the second episode. Oh wait, not second episode. Watch the second season and the last episode for Mary's wedding, because you will catch me in that purple fuzzy jacket and that pink dress. But that day is where my profile pictures come from. Number 10. My family and I are actually super close. I don't think most people would guess this of a 21-year-old, but I've always been really close with my family. So I know right to this point in the video, they are still watching. And so I just want to take a second to say, hi, I love you, and I appreciate how much you guys support my channel, and that you guys will all watch it individually on a separate device. That way I can get a few extra views. It doesn't really change much, but it means the world to me that you go out of your way to do this for me. And it means the world to me that you watch every single video and everything I put out. Back to our normally scheduled content. I come from a very supportive family, and they are super excited to watch me pursue this. And I don't think most people know that. All right, so that was 10 things you didn't know about me. I think I kind of dropped some bombshells like on here. And then I also just had some really easy little fun things in here. Let me know if this is something you want me to do in the future, because I would totally be down, but it might be a 7 things, because it's really hard for me to come up with the 10 things for this. Yeah, I said it's really hard to come up with 10, and then I came up with 11. Oh my goodness. So that's why there's a 9.5 there. And there's definitely a lot of long pauses I cut out of this video, so. Yep. Yeah, anyways, don't forget to smash the YouTube algorithm for the like button. I probably just made a static noise, sorry. Don't forget to subscribe to the smash button. I have my Amazon affiliate links down below. I have my merchandise down below. There's also a join button down below if you want to become a channel member to help support the channel even further than you already are doing by watching it to this point. You've already supported the channel a lot, but if you wanted to do that too, that would be great. I also have like my Amex referral link. I have my Robinhood, and I have Graham's Weeble link. So if you wanted to use any of those, this will be down below. And yeah, just comment, let me know. Do you share any of these things with me? I'd be so interested to find out. Let me know, I'd love to hear about your running stories or video games you're into or any of that down below. It'd be super fun. So if you guys want to comment down below and let me know. I'd love to hear your guys' life stories. Your guys' isn't the word. I would love to hear your life stories, so let me know down below. And as always, don't forget to